So welcome to the Moringo Organics compensation plan. Moringo Organics compensation plan is one of the most powerful business plans in the field of network marketing. Now I will show you why. There are 9 powerful ways to earn money through Moringo Organics. The plan guarantees a maximum payout of 50% of the company's total GV. In Moringo Organics you have got 9 types of incomes. Number 1 is the retail profit. Number 2 is the bulk order bonus. Number 3 is the first order bonus. Number 4 is the team sales bonus, which is in binary. Then the infinity check match bonus. The 6th one is the first team infinity check match bonus. The 7th is the team sales matching bonus. 8th is the cash bonus and rewards. And finally the exotic vacations. So let me go through all of this one by one. Now first thing, to avail all this you have to know how to become a part of Moringo Organics. So let me share with you how you can join Moringo Organics. To join Moringo Organics is through the premium health pack, for which you pay 6,500 rupees. And for 6,500 rupees what do you get? You get 5 bottles of Moringo. So 5 more bottles of Moringo, generally it would cost 7,500, but you are getting a discount of 1,000 rupees overall. You get 5 product leaflets. You get 1 presentation booklet. 4th one, you get 1 identity card, 5 distributor application forms, 1 replicated website, 1 travel point, and this is counted as 6,500 BV. Now let's get into the income part. So the first income is the retail profit, which is the active income. What is the MRP of Moringo Nutramatrix bottle? It is 1,500. But once you become a distributor, you will get the product at 980 rupees when you go and pick it up from the office. In case you're taking it through courier, the courier charges would be extra. So overall, if you're picking up from the office and selling it, you get a clear profit of 520 rupees per bottle, and that works out to how much? 53% clear profit. And this is a very good profit for people who are good in retailing. When you buy the product for 980 rupees, you're getting 1000 BV. I'll come to this BV later. The second income is called the bulk order bonus. Whenever you buy 5 bulk packs, that means each pack containing 10 bottles. So 5 bulk packs in 1 month, you get 1 additional bulk pack free. And you know what does it cost you? Each bulk pack? Not 980 per bottle, it just works out to 8,800 rupees for 10 bottles. So imagine you're buying this for 44,000 and selling for 90,000. That means what is your profits? 90,000 minus 44,000, that is 46,000 rupees. So that means even if you're able to retail 60 bottles in a month, your profit percentage is 104%. This is good for people who are into the healthcare, who are doctors, who are chemists, who have medical shops, where they buy for 44,000 and sell it for 90,000. All this income is active income. That means as long as you buy and sell, you make active income. But the purpose for us to come into networking is the passive income. And let me share with you the leverage income of Moringo. So before coming into the leverage, let me talk about one simple thing that sets Moringo apart from any other networking company, and that is the BV. See, every networking company in the world pays the commissions on business volume. See, generally if you buy for 1,000 rupees, it will be counted as 250 BV, or you buy for 1,000 rupees, it may be counted as 300 BV, whatever it is. That means 3 rupees 70 paise is equal to 1 BV. But first time in the history of networking, here is a company where 1 BV is equal to 1 rupee. That means this company pays on 100% business volume, and what you say is actually what you get. So the first income in the networking part of it, third income, and that is called the fast start bonus. And when you start introducing people with either 1,005 or 6,500 or 15,000, you are getting 5% on the personal business volume, whatever you do personally. For example, you are introducing a person on the right, A. Let's see that he joins with 1,500 BV. So into 5%, your direct income is how much? 75 rupees. Now B, you imagine you're introducing it on the left. So 6,500, 5% is 375 rupees. The third, you once again do it on the left. So 15,000 into 5%, this is 750. So you can introduce as many people as possible on your left or on your extreme right, and this goes on until unlimited depth. Any person whom you introduce directly, you get how much? 5%. Let's get on to the fourth type of income, and that fourth type of income is called the team binary bonus. See, all this binary income is based on the group business volume, and most importantly, your entry level determines your payout percentage. Through this binary bonus, you can earn up to 15 lakh rupees per week, and the weekly closing is from Tuesday to Tuesday. Now let's suppose in this particular week, from Tuesday to Tuesday, on the right you have a joining of 1,005, a joining of 15,000, and a joining of 6,500, directly or indirectly. And on the left you introduce one person with 6,500, and that person has introduced two people with 15,000 and 6,500. So the company sees at the end of the week what is the total joining on the left. It is how much? 6,500 plus 15,000 plus 6,500, that is 28,000. And on the right, the total is 1,500 plus 15,000 plus 6,500, that is 23,000 BV. So what binary means? What is matching? So what is matching on both the sides, 28,000 and 23,000? So 23,000 business points is matching. So the company pays you on this 23,000 BV, which is matching at the end of the week. Like I said you at the beginning, your entry level determines the payout percentage. Now imagine that your ID, what you have here, is you are joined with 1,500. So if your entry ID is 1,500, you will be paid 8% of the binary matching BV. So what is 8% of 23,000? 1,840. So that is the income for your week. Imagine that your entry, instead of 1,500, you had entered with 6,500. The BV is the same, but your income, instead of 8%, it would be 10% of 23,000 BV. And the third, in case you have joined with 15,000 BV. So out of 23,000 BV, what do you get? You get 15% of 23,000. That is 3,450. So basically your entry level determines the payout percentage. See, initially you might join with 1,500 or 6,500. But tomorrow, as your team grows, as your repurchase grows, you can also upgrade. So there is no time limit for you to upgrade. You can upgrade your ID anytime. And even when you upgrade, or even when your downline upgrades, that BV is counted for you for your binary. The 5,000 BV is carried forward for the next week. Now let me go into little more details of this. What does this GBV stand for? See, this group business volume includes the repurchase done by the team, the package upgrade, the spillover joining, and also the repurchase done by your spillover. Any business that happens under you is counted for your binary. Now let me tell you one example. Let's suppose that on the right you have got two people who already joined, and in this, on the left, that is a new joining of 6,500, and under that there are two joinings of 15,000 and 6,500, and below that there are two joinings of 15,000 on the left. Now coming to the right, let's suppose that this person has upgraded his ID. So from 1,500 he is upgrading to 15,000. So what is the additional BB you get? 13,500. And this person has come down from the top, from your sponsor on your right, and this person on the left here, he has made a repurchase of 20,000 rupees, that is 10 bottles. And this purchase on the right, who is done by your spillover, he also makes a repurchase of 5 bottles, that is for 5,000. Okay. So overall, what has happened on the left, there have been a joining 6,500 plus 15,000 plus 6,500 plus 15,000 plus 15,000, that is 58,000 BV. On right, what it has been? 13,500. This is the upgrade. This 20,000 is the repurchase. This 6,500 is the spillover joining from the top. This 5,000 is the repurchase done by the spillover, that is totally 45,000. So whatever business happens, even if there is any carry forward from the last week, that will also be added to your ID. Okay. So let's tell the total matching on both that side is 45,000 BV. Now once again, based on your joining, your income would be 45,008 into 8%. In case you are joined with 1,500, it will be 45,000 BV into 10% if your ID is with 6,500, and it will be 45,000 into 15% if your ID is 15,000. Got the point? So this is the team binary bonus. And what is the ceiling for binary? Up to 15 lakhs per week. The balance 13,000 BV is carried forward to the next week. Let's go to the next income, and that fifth income is called the Infinity Team Binary Check Match Bonus. So you get Infinity Check Match Bonus of 10% from the 3rd, 4th, 5th and the 6th onwards personally enrolled member, and their first 2 enrollees, whatever they earn, from that you get. let me explain this to you, and I'm showing this in the binary graph. Let's suppose that you introduced A and B. Okay, now you will also later introduce C. Let's say you are introduced C on your left and you introduce D on your right. And here, see, I'm not showing here any other different colors, because here it depends only on the income, not on any joinings. And the C has introduced CA and CB. This is the A and B of C. Okay, and D has introduced their A and their B. This is called DA and DB. Okay, and you introduce one more E, and E also is introducing his A and B, and DB, who is the B, he also is introducing his A and B. So this whole team, that is C, D, E, CA, CB, DA, DB, EA, EB, DB and DB, they are called your infinity team. So whatever income these people earn, you will earn 10% of that income. So let me show you with an example. Let's suppose C earns 10,000 binary, D earns 15,000, E earns 8,000, and let's suppose CA earns 4,500, CB earns 6,000, DA earns 3,000, DB earns 3,500, EA earns 3,000, EB earns 2,000. Okay, and DBA 1,500 and DBB earns 1,000 rupees. This is their earnings. Okay, so what is the total earning put together? That is 57,500. And now whatever they earn, you get how much? 10%. That means you make from them 10% of 57,500, 5,750. This is apart from your binary. So, and for this income there is no limit. So as you grow, this income could be the biggest income for you, and there is no limit in this income, and it goes on up to unlimited depth. Now let me show that same income unilevel graphical view. You introduce A and B. Okay, now you are introducing C, D, E. It could be on any side, and whatever. Now this is the income that C is making binary. Let's tell C has earned an income of 25,000, D has earned an income of 5,000, E has made income of 20,000. So the totally put together how much? It is 50,000. This is the binary income. So whatever they earn, how much do you earn? You earn 10% of that, and that means you earn 5,000 rupees. Is there any limit for this? No. Not only from C, D, E, from the A and B of theirs, and the A and B of theirs, and A and B of theirs, and A and B of theirs. So is this a huge income? Yes or no? It's going to be a very huge income. Okay. Now, what about A and B, the business done by them? That is called the first came infinity bonus, and that is the sixth income. Okay, and the sixth income is called first came infinity bonus, check match bonus. And A and B, in this you have to choose very wisely, because they are your pillars. And why you are telling that it's very important? Because A and B, whatever business they do, you also earn a huge income from them. Let's check, just like you earned your infinity from your C, D, E, F, A and B also get their infinity income. Let's suppose that A has got an infinity income of, that C, D, E for A has made an income of 20,000, and B, so A will earn how much? 10% of it, that is 2,000 rupees, and B will earn 10%, that is 3,000 rupees. And what do you earn? So whatever infinity income is earned by A and whatever is earned by B, you get 100% of that income, and this is also a very huge income. So all you have to do to be successful in this is choose your A and B wisely. Got it? Clear. So this was the first came infinity bonus. That means you get 2,000 plus 3,000. Any doubts? Now let me talk to you about ranks before I go to the next income. See, whenever you join, and when you have two joinings under you directly, left and right, personally enrolled member, and there is a sale of 1,500 BB, that means either one joining or two repurchase. On both the sides, you are called as an associate. The next level after an associate is a builder. So for a builder, you need a team of 3 on the left and 3 on the right. So the A and B should be sponsored by you, and this fourth should be sponsored by the next two people. And after the sponsoring, when the total sale on the left is 6,000 GV, 6,000 GV means what? It could be from repurchase, it could be from joining, it could be from upgrade, it could be from spillover. On your left it is 6000 GV and right there is 6000 GV, and your two people, they should be an associate. That means below this person there should be minimum 1005 here, below this person minimum 1005, and below B also 1005 and 1005 minimum. That means you are called a builder. So it's very important. These two should be your personally enrolled people, should be an associate. Then you are called a builder. Now the next level after the builder is a consultant. So consultant is once again same as a builder, but only thing is, as a consultant, on the left you must have 37,500 GV and on the right 37,500 GV. These two need not be builders, they can just be associates. And the fourth rank is the director. So director means your two personally enrolled people should be builders, and there must be a sale of 75,000 GV in that 1 week, and here 75,000 GV in the 1 week. You are called a director. Executive director means the next level is in the left, sales team. So far I was talking here about personally enrolled person. After you come to a level, it's not about personally enrolled. So for executive director, from your left team and the right team, that should be one consultant on the left and one consultant on the right. Okay, and total sales should be here in that week 1,50,000 GV and 1,50,000 GV overall. So this is executive director. After that, it's called the diamond director. So for diamond director, you have one executive director on the left, one executive director on the right, and 4 lakh GV in that particular week. That means once you are a diamond director, what is your minimum income? If you are joined with 15,000, 4 lakh GV band, what is the matching? 6 lakh rupees per week. That week is your income. Now let's go on to the next income. That is called the seventh income. That is, this seventh income is given from the diamond director level, and that is called the team sales matching bonus. That means you earn 5 to 10% matching bonuses on 4 generations based on the rank and the weaker leg volume in a week. So for example, once you are a diamond, you earn 5% income from the first generation, and once you become a white diamond, you will earn 10% of the income of the first generation, and black diamond you will earn 10% from the second generation, and once you become a pink diamond, once again 10% from the second generation, and once you become a blue diamond, 10% from the third generation, and once you become a crown diamond, once again 10% from the third generation, and once you become the highest level, that is this ambassador, you earn 10% income from the fourth generation, which is a huge income. So this is the total incomes. It might take 4 years, it might take 5 years. Even in 5 years, once you come to this level, it's going to be a huge income. Only thing is focus, follow one course until successful. So apart from this, there is an 8th income which is called the cash bonus and rewards. See, company, from the day you hit a director, that means you become a director, 16 weeks period. So in that 16 weeks, if you are achieving director level 4 times, maybe in the first week, 7th week, 9th week and the 10th week, 4 times in the 16-week period, you get a cash bonus of 5,000 plus a Samsung tab worth 16,000 plus a coffee day card of 750 per week, so that you can conduct your meetings, you can invite people to the coffee days. And the same way, in that 16-week period, if you hit executive director 4 times, you get 10,000 award plus a bag worth 15,000 rupees. The same way, as a diamond, you will earn 25,000 cash plus a diamond ring, and as a white diamond, 50,000 cash and a white diamond ring. And once you become black diamond, you get a 1 lakh rupees plus a black diamond plus and once you become a pink diamond, you get 1.5 lakh rupees, a pink diamond ring, and a LCD or LED worth 2.5 lakhs. And once you become a blue diamond, you get 2 lakh rupees cash, a blue diamond ring, and a fully paid Ford or a Toyota car. And once you become a crown diamond, it's 2.5 lakhs plus a fully paid Audi, BMW or a Benz worth 40 lakhs. And once you become ambassador, 5 lakhs cash plus a 50 lakhs worth home. So this is the rewards that is given by, and coming to the final reward, and that is the ninth income, that is the exotic vacations.